Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change your name on the WhatsApp app for PC. With the latest update, this process has become even simpler. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the steps. First things first, open up your WhatsApp application on your computer. Once it's loaded, you'll see the familiar interface with your chats on the right side. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu there. This is where we'll start our journey to update your name. In that left side menu, you'll find an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new window with various options for customizing your WhatsApp experience. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll see a section called Profile. This is where all your personal information is stored. Click on Profile to proceed to the next step. Now, pay close attention to the area where your current name is displayed. Right next to it, you'll spot a small edit icon. It usually looks like a little pencil or pen. Click on this icon to begin editing your name. A text field will appear, allowing you to make changes to your name. You can type in your new name, a nickname, or whatever you prefer to be called on WhatsApp. Remember, this is the name that will be visible to all your contacts, so choose wisely. Once you've entered your new name, simply click Done or press Enter on your keyboard. And just like that, you've successfully changed your name on WhatsApp for PC. It's worth noting that this change will sync across all your devices where WhatsApp is installed, so your new name will appear on your phone as well. Changing your name on WhatsApp is a great way to keep your profile up to date or add a personal touch to your messaging experience. Whether you're rebranding yourself or just fancy a change, now you know how quick and easy it is to do on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.